Hi, so today I'm gonna try something that I've always wanted to try but have never done it. And with the spring months in full force, I thought let's try a mayonnaise, a homemade mayonnaise. And April, we have Basil Olive Oil as our special. So I thought, well, let's try a homemade mayonnaise with Basil Olive Oil. So here we go. Okay, well that was easy. Let's try it out. Oh my gosh. So, I'm not sure why I've never done that before, but that's delicious. Okay, I'm impressed. I hope you guys like it. You can store it in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. So I just made one batch, which was super easy. 1 cup of basil olive oil, 1 room temperature egg, some Dijon mustard, salt, and a squeeze of lemon. That's it. So much healthier than store-bought. So enjoy. Let me know how you like it.